Hi, let me show you how to change passcode on iPhone. For that, we need to go ahead and open Settings and now start scrolling down till we can find section Face ID and Passcode. By tapping it, you would need to confirm your current passcode, so just input it here and then you should see Face ID and Passcode settings. So what I want you to do is to scroll down a bit and find this blue option, Change Passcode. So to change it, you need to enter your current passcode again first. And now enter a new one. Also, you can change its options. For that, click here and you can set 4-digit numeric code 6, custom, and custom with letters. So I'm gonna pick 4-digit, or let's actually pick 6-digit. And now I'm gonna enter all zeros again, tap use anyway. And now verify your new passcode by re-entering it. Now after a few seconds it should be done, so let's just wait. And yep, now we just changed passcode, so let's try this out. I'm gonna just try to unlock my phone. And as you can see now, instead of 4-digit numeric code like it was before, I got 6 digits, so we just changed passcode. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.